how to recover suspended Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, there are different ways. The one of the way could be simply get verification badge, and after that Instagram will provide you priority support in order to help you out. If you don't want to get the blue tick or the verified badges, that's completely fine because there are some other ways as well. The easiest way could be just simply appeal for the suspension and provide the verification documents and the verification selfie, and after that, if the things go quite right and in your favor, then you would get your account back within just few minutes of doing the verification. But if you don't get your account back, just simply open up Facebook and open up the page of your account. Since I got this suspension email on this account of mine on Instagram, that's why I opened up the same page on Facebook, and over here click on Meta Business Suite, and over here you would be able to find this option of help. Simply select it, then click on help again, and after that a section will appear on the right hand side. Simply select any particular article or simply search for any article related to account getting disabled, or you can just simply click on this option of very dissatisfied and then write your message over here that your account just got suspended without any reason, or if you want to add anything else, then simply add it over here and submit it. Then you would get someone from the support team of Meta to contact you, and they will contact you via chat. Now over here you would have to wait for a while in order to get a real human to join you in the chat, and then they will ask you some more information about this particular suspension. Just provide them the answers, and they might also ask you for your phone number in order to call you and ask you all the details over the phone. So just provide them the phone number as well, and they would be able to help you out in a better way. And after waiting for a few days, like I waited for 4 to 5 days, and after that I got my account back. So this way you can also get your account back, and this is how you do it. And in case if you don't believe me, then here's the email from the suspended message, here's the email for the permanently disabled account, and here's the email of me getting my account back. And this is how you can get your account back too. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.